Hashidele, it's me Kiki. Welcome to my channel Himalayan Dumplings, where I share Tibetan recipes both old and new. The recipe that I'm going to share with you today is for a classic Tibetan dumpling called Shogo Momo, which basically translates to potato dumpling in Tibetan. But unlike the current day momo, where the wrapper is relatively thin, Shogo Momo is a little bit different, made a little bit differently, or at least how it used to be made way back in the days, is that the wrapper is very much like that of a tingmo, which is a steamed Tibetan bun. So when you steam up this Shogo Momo, you have a very soft, fluffy, a little bit chewy bun or wrapper that complements perfectly with the savory curried potato filling that I used in this particular recipe. So whether you're a vegan or you're a potato lover just like me, I hope you'll enjoy this recipe just as much as we do. So let's get started with the recipe. Oh, and before we get started, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button if you already have. Thank you so much for watching, and you take care. Tujhe na. All-purpose flour, warm water, sugar, salt, and that is instant dry yeast. Boiled potatoes that's been diced into small pieces, green peas, frozen in this case, which is totally fine. You can use fresh as well. Salt to taste, Kashmiri red chili powder. This is totally for aesthetics, doesn't have any heat to it. Garlic and ginger paste. And as far as spices are concerned, just a little bit of coriander and cumin. And lastly, just a little bit of soy sauce and of course cooking oil to cook the filling with. I'm gonna press the edges of the dumpling wrapper. Actually, it can totally be classified as a bun as well, since I used yeast to make it fluffy and soft, just like my momola used to make it, my late momola. She was from Lhasa. That's the capital of Tibet, by the way. Alright, ready, here we go. Keep twisting it so I can seal it. Alright, it's a habit of mine to pull off the cherry on top, so to speak. The wrapper in this particular case is not like a typical dumpling wrapper. It's got a lot of stretch, a lot of elasticity to it. It's because I've added yeast to the dough, so it can be soft and fluffy. As you can see, I've added quite a lot of filling to it. I don't like dumplings or buns with very little filling. I like a generous portion of it. But anyway, so just keep pinching it. And twist, 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 and pull the cherry on top. You don't have to do this, it's just a habit of mine. And I do this simply to perch up the dumpling or bun, whichever one you want to call it. I think it falls into both categories.